Hey, what's up? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pebble truly wireless earbuds with charging case from a company called MEE. And what I really like about these is the shape and design. It's going to give you like a really ergonomic fit where they're going to stick in your ear in a way that like it kind of just like disappears inside of there, like very seamless. But it does say 8 to 16 hours of battery. On the back, it's going to say built-in Siri and Google support for the assistant. You also do get intuitive touch controls and low latency gaming, IPX4 sweat and water resistance, and 8 hours of continuous playtime with 16 hours with the case. And I had seen the design on Amazon. I was pretty impressed. So let me see if I could show you guys. $23 right now, but you can get different colors to choose from, and some of the colors are different prices based off of the color. The prices are different based off the color, but right now you're going to be able to get 20% off from them. Let's go ahead and see what comes inside of the package, and then I'm going to actually try these on. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, so we got our quick start guide right at the top. Case, very a lot smaller than I actually thought it was gonna be, but I'm gonna put this off to the side. This is really small. You could okay. The earbuds actually are a decent size, and you could see we get a little LED light right there on the outside. Your controls here, your get started, your charging, and your case indicator lights. And it'll show you, what the light does based off of what's happening with the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the case and see if that helps when it comes to these being recognized. Okay, so there they go, the MEE Audio Pebbles. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit pair. So now I have both of these earphones connected. All right, so let's go ahead and charge these up. So the thing is blinking. I'm gonna sit it on here for a long minute, and then I'll get right back with you. But if you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing a mic test and a sound test and a sound leakage test as well, so make sure you guys stay locked in for that. But let's see if they actually pair up when you lift the case automatically, so you don't actually have to take them out for the second time you pair them. All right guys, so I got the Pebbles, the MEE Pebble right here. Once you lift open the case, it should automatically pair up to the smartphone. And then you can see right there, it does show up as the MEE Audio Pebbles. So let's go ahead, take out the earphones from the case. Wow, that has a really nice fit. It just fits perfectly inside of the ear. You could definitely sleep with these on. One tap is raise the volume. These actually get really loud at 75%, so you wouldn't even need to put them higher than this. Let's put that all the way up though. Triple tap. What's the weather right now? If you long hold the earbud, it'll actually go to the next track. So let's lower it a little bit because the highs sound really good. The mids are also sounding pretty good as well. The bass is actually pretty decent, but it's just not like gonna be bass that you would get on an in-ear headphone. These are more like on the outer ear, so they're not going to really be too bass heavy or anything like that. So good instrument separation. That's the first thing you notice when you're listening to this track right here. Male voices actually sound pretty good, kind of blended in very well. Alright guys, so this is what it would sound like if I was in an outdoor environment. I have environmental noise playing in the outside, inside of the room. So I have environmental noise playing inside of the room so you guys can hear what it sounds like in a simulated outdoor environment while using the Pebble for the microphones in a loud environment. So this gives you an example of what it would sound like with outdoor noise and without outdoor noise. So they pair up really quickly when you take them in and out of the case, which is pretty good because if you want to actually use one at a time, they're really good for doing that. But when I noticed when I took the right one out, which is usually the volume down, when I put it back in the case, it became volume up. So watch this. Now this left one right here that I'm clicking on is volume up automatically. But when I take it out and put both earbuds on like that, this one's on. Now it becomes volume down. And depending on what area you put the headphone, the louder it gets. So these are definitely like that directional earbud. But they sound extremely clear. And these are good for like podcasts and stuff like that, or even music on lower high volumes, depending on where you are. But you're still going to be able to hear your outdoor environment no matter how high or low you put it. So I definitely think that's another cool feature if you're a runner and you want to exercise with these. They also offer that IPX4 waterproof as well. So I've been listening to these for like almost an hour, and obviously I'm not going to be able to kill them in this video, but I definitely think these are extremely lightweight and comfortable, and they don't go in the ear. They have a microphone, or you can see the speakers right there. It does tell you this is the left earbud, which is also cool, but you get the magnets down there too, and so the music comes directly from there and goes straight into your ear, delivering a clear sound which has rich detail, and it's also gonna like sound very loud. So these do get pretty loud as well. So I definitely like that part about it. That's full volume and you can hear the sound leakage right now coming out of these. Hey, what's up? So this is the gaming mode when you tap it 4 times. Alright, so it said gaming mode. So you have to be very careful to hit the button when you enter gaming mode because you could miss it. So it's a little bit hard to enter that gaming mode, but you do get a voice prompt that says you are in gaming mode. So let me listen to the lips and the words with these in while I'm in gaming mode. These pair up very well when it comes to watching videos with synchronization of the visual and the audio. So now we're going to do some gaming while we're inside of the gaming mode. Alright, so these are actually in the gaming mode right now. I'm going to go ahead and listen to these while I start playing. So the footsteps are, it feels like I'm really running because like every footstep on the wood was like, it's just lined up with the audio very nicely. Those gunshots sound like they're close by. They sound really directional. You're getting some directional audio when it comes to these. So the gunshots are actually matching up almost 1-to-1. So these have a very low latency. Definitely recommend these earphones. Also, with the battery indicators inside the case, when it starts blinking 5 times at the top right here when they're charging, that's how you know it's actually charging, because it'll blink 5 times like in a row, and then that's how you know it's charging. Then it'll stop doing that after the 5 times. You can see right here it fluctuates, but you could tell the battery is low when it blinks 3 times fast, and then when it's just at a solid color, that's how you know the battery is up above 20%. But I definitely think these are going to be a solid pair of earphones with fast connection. The microphones as well are going to be pretty decent. Great battery life. I like the fact that, you know, they have the ability to be very kind of like discreet when it comes to the overall design. And so you could sleep with them, you could work out in them. They're very versatile. The case is extremely small and portable. It doesn't have wireless charging, but for the price, I think this is going to be pretty good for headphones. But let me know what you guys think about the Pebble audio, the MEE audio Pebbles, and I'm going to check you guys later. I'll get right back with you, but make sure if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. I'll check you guys later. Peace.